The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of South Carolina. There's a teenager named Felicia the Scratcher, 15 years old, a fang hanging out her mouth, 2 inches tall, white skin, black and purple hair, and purple and orange eyes from its own irises. She was last seen wearing a blue shirt, dark blue shorts, purple gloves, white socks, and no shoes. She appears to be a vampire girl who was meant to be scared and sad. A mysterious creature was driving a black Ferrari that snatched Felicia away. Stay tuned for more details about this situation.